We had TTD last night. And this is what you want to see. Look at this volume, okay? Look at this bar. These are the kinds of names you want to be looking at. Okay? These are the kinds of names that are going to keep grinding higher, right? So what you do is just kind of here, look at your relative volume, and you'll see that it is absolutely off the chart, okay? So you don't have to be first in, right? You just don't have to be that person, especially in this market. Let this set itself up. As it sets itself up, you're trying to stay in these. Remember, we're all so used to day trading and making little bits of money because we've been hitting singles that we don't believe that we can buy something here, wait for it to break out, form a flag, and then go and make real money, right? We're all trying to make $2 on a trade before we lose $1. That's not how you're gonna be successful. You're going to make a little bit of money doing that over and over again, and then eventually you're going to take a big hit. What you're trying to do is get in, build positions, and hang in those positions. That's how you're going to accumulate and outperform everybody. That's what people that have been trading for a very long period of time do. They add to their winners as their winners go up. This is definitely something that should be on everybody's radar, but that is one sector that I would definitely look at. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.